So we are preparing for the snowboarding. It is a 1 hour drive from Seattle in USA. Come. We are going. Yeah. There is a heavy snowfall now. Huh? Yeah, correct. Jagan is very intelligent. He will catch everything. So I am another philosopher, researcher, and storyteller. So I am enjoying the ambience of snow here, and I am with my younger son Ramakrishna sir and my son's friend Jagan, and I am with my wife. So we four have prepared to walk and enjoy the snow. So both are going for snowboarding. Heavy snowfall now. Oh, it's very cold. Not only cold, but also there is a snowfall. Thank you for subscribing and sharing with your net. Thank you for subscribing.